In this video, we'll talk about the Pocket Options social copy trading feature. And I'm going to show you how you can copy my trades, which generally looks like this, as you can see in the screen. I can even refresh this screen in order to show you that everything that you are seeing right now is real. So let me show you again. And if you notice here properly, we make $200 per trade, and you can copy anywhere from $2 to $200. That also automatically. We are not talking about that we give you signal and you copy those trades. No, whenever we make trades in our account, you can copy those trades by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option. Now there are a few factors that you need to understand before copying us. So we make $200 per trade, right? And we make 3 trades per day. As you can see here, we only make 3 trades each and every day. So you need to set up copy trading percent according to the things that I'm going to show you in this video. So watch this video properly and do like this video, okay? And do comment copy trading in the comment section below so that I can know that you are interested in such topic. Now, in order to copy our trade, what you need is UID. So if you click on this social trading, then you can see there are several traders. You can copy them. But if you click on any of these trader, you will see inconsistent amount of trade. Like max trade is of over $1,000 and minimum trade is of $2. And his profitable trade percentage is 67%. Now what happens if you start to copy this trader? Maybe he have made 5 trades profit of this $2 and 1 trade loss of this $1,000. And what happens when you copy this trader, then his profitable trade percentage may be higher, but the loss will be higher because his one loss of $1,000 and 5 profit of $2, there is no any comparison of that, okay? Due to which if you copy any of this trader, you are only going to lose money. So what you need to do is, if you see, this is the UID, okay? UID is this kind of number which you can also find inside your profile, okay? It is clearly written that UID, and you just need our UID, that kind of UID, in order to copy trades. Now, in order to get our UID, you firstly need to join our free Telegram channel and see the latest instructions there on how you can get our UID. And once you get that UID, then you will be able to copy these kind of trades that we make on a daily basis. Now, once you get our UID, just come to the social trading. I'll show you how you need to do the setup in order to copy anywhere from $2 to $200. Come to social trading, just click on here and click on search, and here you can see it says enter user ID. Just paste the UID that you have got from our free Telegram channel. Now this is not our UID, I am just showing you it as an example. Now once you paste the UID at here, you will see a name appearing. Just click on that name and you will see this kind of box. Now you can simply click on copy. Then this 4 boxes appears. Now you need to again remind yourself, we make $200 per trade and 3 trades per day, right? Now if you copy us 100%, that means you are going to copy $200 per trade whenever we make $200 per trade. But if you reduce this percent to 1%, then what happens? Whenever we make $200 per trade, you will be copying $2 per trade. Now if you increase this percentage to 10, then same thing happen. Whenever we make $200 per trade, you will copy $20 per trade. Now if you make it 15%, then what happens? Whenever we make $200 per trade, you will be copying $30 per trade. So you need to understand 1% of $200 is $2, right? So in this way you need to set up this copying proportion. Now in case of stop balance, you don't need to make any changes at here, because as I have told you, we make $200 per trade and 3 trades per day. And let's say if you have $3,600 in your account and you only want to risk $600 in our copy trading service, what you can do is you can withdraw your $3,000 and just put that $600 in your account so that you don't need to touch this stop balance. Now those VIP copy traders who have touched this stop balance, they were not able to copy all of our trades. That's why only I'm suggesting you to not toss any of these boxes. Okay, now in case of minimum and maximum copy trade amount, as you can see here, we make $200 per trade, right? So there is no need to, okay, you can put, if there is one, you can just keep it one. Okay, and maximum copy trade amount you can put unlimited, because we make $200 per trade only. Okay, and if you are so worried, then you can withdraw your remaining balance and risk the amount only that you are willing to risk in our copy trading service. Okay, but do not toss these three boxes. That is the point. Okay, and once you have done all of these things, then just scroll down and click on confirm, and you will automatically be able to copy our trade.